Hi, let's quickly find the value of x in the given equality. The given question involves exponents. As you can see, the powers. Let us solve it. So the question says 2 raised to the power x plus 7 is equal to 16 raised to the power x plus 3. Now on the left hand side, let the numbers be as it is, 2 raised to the power x plus 7. But on the left hand side, you see it is 16. So what is 16? 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 raised to the power 4 and whole to the power x plus 3. So this is what is given here. Also we can further write in the left hand side same, 2 raised to the power 7 is equal to 2. Now this powers is multiplied. It comes from the rule a raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n is equal to actually a raised to the power m multiplied by n. So what we are going to do here is a raised to the power 4 multiplied by x plus 3. Now since the bases are equal, you can see both the side the base is 2, which gives that the exponents are equal because the bases are equal. So then we have x plus 7 is equal to 4 multiplied by x plus 3. Now on the left hand side it is x plus 7. On the right hand side we'll multiply this 4 by x and then we'll multiply 4 by 3. So we'll write 4 into x, 4x, and then we have plus sign, and 4 3s are 12. And if we bring all the x's in one side and all the numbers in other side, so what is going to happen? So this is 4x. We take this x to the right hand side, so this will become minus x. From plus x it will become minus x. And on the left hand side we have 7. And if we take this 12 on the other side, it will become minus 12. Further, 7 minus 12 is minus 5. And 4x minus x is 3x, and x is equal to minus 5, and this 3 will come on the left hand side in division. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3. That is your answer.